Hello everyone. So I hope you were able to create the visuals in early as per our earlier tutorial. Now let us jump to the screen and here we are going to understand about some of the hierarchy and what its meaning. Before that, you can see that earlier our background was having white and like this, and now right now it is clearly visible. So how you can do this? So for that I have taken one example. You have to select the visual, go to the formatting, and under the general, the tab under the effect, we want to do the transparency. So let us increase the transparency so that automatically the back based on the background image selection, the color will be popped up and white will be selected as a background. So in my earlier example we were discussing from this, like this we were able to create, but right now we have created like this. I have just rearranged everything in such a way that it looks good and easy to understand. Like this tab I have placed nicely here, superstore dashboard, and here the our uh, this tab I have placed over here. So here was some space is there. Yes, we are going to utilize that in subsequent lecture. So before that, let me show you one thing which we are going to discuss right now, which is called as a hierarchy. If I select this visual element, here you can see under the order date, under the order table, if I click on the drop down, you can see that automatically date hierarchy has been selected. So whenever, let me again remove, whenever we are clicking over here, automatically it is capturing many things. So if we do not want to have a hierarchy, just wait, I will explain. We can directly write down order date. So all the figures now are maintaining as a date. Okay, and you see when I am selecting, nothing is visible here if behind the this filter sign. So if I click over here and click under the date hierarchy, you can see that few of the icons are coming up and our trend is now has been changed. So it is currently like year on year trend. And if we want to drill down, you see our detail will be like this. So let me drill down with this button. So it is giving us based on the quarter. Now it is giving us based on the month wise as the hierarchy is being maintained. If I click over here, you see our details are now based on the day on which day higher number of sales are getting generated. So likewise you can do, and now let me again go back above, and likewise our data can be modified. But here we are going to create one hierarchy manually. How to create? So I am clicking on the page 2. Just for the example, I am taking this under the category. We are going to have one subcategory. So first of all, you need to click the right click on this category and click on the create hierarchy. You can automatically it is creating some hierarchical symbol with the category hierarchy as a name. Okay, so it has placed something as a category under this category hierarchy, and now we want to move subcategory. Right click and let me again right click over here and just go here, and we have created one hierarchy, so we are placing this hierarchy to the category hierarchy. Okay. Now if we check under this, there are two things are visible. So let us create some table. Instead of the table, let us have some bar chart so that I can give you the explanation. So the column cluster chart, and in that I am going to have the net profit, or you can select the total sales also. So there is no issue, but let me select the net profit. Now you can see that our table is visible properly with the bar chart. Okay, and here the symbol is coming up. Whatever we have selected on the right hand side as a category hierarchy, x-axis it has created some hierarchical data like category and the subcategory. If we drill down, let me drill down with this button, go to the next level, you can see that here it has drilled down our data to the next stage. Okay, and if I click on this button, it is moving up. If I click expand all down one level hierarchy, you can see that what are the different things under the furniture. There are these kind of categories are there, under the office supply these types of categories are there. So likewise it has given us the detail. You see, I hope you are clear with this. So what we did, we have created hierarchy, and in that hierarchy, on the right hand side under the data, we have created and moved the subcategory to that particular category, and we have created this simple clustered bar chart, co- clustered column chart, so that I can give you the explanation. So likewise, you can add your visuals based on your requirement. Yes, again, the same things are there. If you want to change any visuals, format visuals or anything, you can change it from here. So I hope you are clear with this. This is just a small example which I want to cover it. That's why I have covered it over here, which is named as a drill through and all hierarchy.